Hi friends, this video shows how to set date and time automatically using internet. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system select date and time. Then go to set date and time. Here we can see two options, set manually, then set using internet. Select the second option, set using internet. So here we have to enable this option, set automatically. Enable. So when we enable this, PS5 will automatically set date and time using internet. So this way we can automatically set date and time using internet. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.